so it does seem to be recording. Awesome. So I bought myself a new camera, and I don't think I have to shout anymore, because this one has an external mic. Hopefully it's working. But this is an Akaso what is that, A50X. I'll put exactly what it is down in the description. But it seems to be okay so far. I did have to do a little bit of surgery on the case, but I think it's okay. And this is with the helmet down, or visor down on my helmet. I'll put it back up, just so we can see how much of a difference there is between the road noise and everything before, and wind noise, etc. But the microphone is mounted well inside my helmet, on my practically up near my left cheek. So we'll see how much wind noise translates through that. And so far, it seems to be okay. Has a neat little remote thingy that seems to work out all right, and not too bad. My one big gripe with it so far, and I guess, well, it's like a minor gripe, is that with the GoPro, you didn't have to go into post-processing in order to flip an image or to flip a video clip. This thing, you have to mount it right side up. And since I don't have the most powerful computer there is, I didn't want to spend half of my day waiting for it to flip the video in processing, you know? So that's my only gripe about it. But I guess, you know, what it did allow me to do is mount the camera in a little bit a different way, and I can actually kind of see that it is indeed recording, kind of underneath my glasses and through the helmet, so I can see that it is recording until the screen times out. So I'll definitely have a lot more impressions and stuff like that of this camera days and videos to come. Oh, why did I always pick the roughest roads to go down? But yeah, you guys tell me, you know, how do you like it? I know the colors are supposed to be a little bit more washed out, more natural than the oversaturated GoPro, which, you know, that's up to preference, but I can kind of amp those back up in post. And it's a perfectly sunny day today, not a cloud in the sky, so that may, you know, I know I've got tons of other videos to where it's pretty much the same exact situation that I'm in right now. That's almost 4 o'clock. It seems to be okay. Anyway, yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like it moving forward, and hopefully you guys enjoy the 4K. I know my computer won't, but whatever. I'll post some pictures at the beginning of this, and yeah, you have no stop sign, idiot. I'll post some pictures of it at the beginning, and maybe put down, you know, some specs and things like that. I think it compares pretty good to like a Hero 7 or so. Anyway, see y'all in the next one. Peace.